Hi there.
Hello.
Earlier we were talking about these three problems you have. Can you once again tell me about them?
Time management.
Uh, yeah, and you were talking about this. You eat for a long time and all. Those things.
I eat for a long time.
Yeah.
Then during that time I play games. That
Okay.
this causes this because of that only I eat for a long time.
Okay.
Then,
You told about this nervousness you have.
yeah, I'm afraid of delivering a speech to the people.
Okay, so you was you have that nervousness when you give some presentations. Okay, so you have this problem of eating for a long time. Then you can't stop playing video games. Yeah. Okay, so you eat for a long time. How's that a problem?
That's not a problem, but thing is I'm playing games during that time. And it depends upon my games. Like if I lost in the game, then I finish eating fast. If the game goes interesting, I keep on eating. I keep chewing it slowly. And that's it.
Okay, no. How's that problem means? Eating this affects you in what way? Like
I'm not able to do my homework.
good.
Then I'm not able to study.
Okay. So they're all getting postponed. Yeah, you cannot able to complete your homework. You cannot start it fast because you are eating for a long time. After you come from school, you are eating for a long time. Yeah. Okay. So how do you think you can change that? Have you tried anything else to solve this? To eat your food faster and to start your homework earlier? Have you tried anything?
I stop playing these games. Like preventing myself from using all these handheld these video games. Then after that, eating my food. Then this helps me to eat my food faster.
Yeah, but you cannot able to control sometimes all these devices. You have to pick up and you have to keep eating. Yeah, I mean, you while eating the food, you want all those devices.
Yeah.
Yeah, or you can't able to stop them. So have you tried anything for that differently?
Uh, I keep a certain time limit, like only for 5 minutes. Within 10 minutes I finish eating my food, and within 10 minutes I finish these games.
Okay, okay. So you know something. How about like you keep a alarm, and you set it for 10 minutes. So every 10 minutes, let that reminds you, like you are supposed to finish this food. You are supposed to now leave from the place and go start your homework or something like that. Other things if you want to do, you have to go on with that. So why don't you try like you keep a alarm with you while eating the food, and you keep it for every 10 minutes. Yeah, can you able to try that? And you can check what's happening. Yeah. Okay, that would be little better for you.
Okay.
Okay, so we'll go into this games. So how are you going to overcome this? Like, what do you think you can stop playing the games or stop going into the Facebook or the other devices? What amuses you actually? It's the games, or
Games.
the games are so attractive? Yeah.
Yeah.
So how are you going to overcome that one? Like, is there any other alternative you can choose? Like, anything else interests you?
When I eat, I keep on eating, so there's nothing else for me.
No, only not during
Other
the. Do you play only during the during eating time, or do you play any other time during the day?
Sometimes during eating time, other times if I have free time only I play. Otherwise I don't have time at all. I go for tuition and all.
Okay. Okay, so this video games, you think you're playing it only during your eating time. Okay. Okay, so I think you can control that by having an alarm, and let that reminds you. And every time that the sound comes from the alarm, you have to immediately think it's time for to study, or it's time for doing other things. Yes. So this is how we are going to try.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay then. Okay, so we'll go into the second problem. You told about this nervousness.
Yeah.
Okay, so when do you get all this nervousness?
When I'm delivering a speech to people.
Okay, in front of the class.
Yeah.
Okay, where do you feel this in your body?
Heart.
In the heart. Okay.
Heart and the stomach.
The chest. Okay. So how do you think you can change this? Do you have any other solution? Earlier you tried.
I try to be confident enough. Then
Okay. So anything else?
nothing.
Okay. So I just want to ask you something. If you do this exciting fun games, like in the rides and all, if you go, earlier you went to this Ferrari World, and you went to do the fastest ride. So when you go into that ride, how did you feel? Like it was like
I felt scared.
you felt scared, no? You had that a little bit nervousness, yeah. In the big rides, you have been to so many big rides. So those rides were like a little bit scary, and you had this nervousness. Then what it turned into? It was like a fun. At the end, it was fun. You know. So, how about we link these two? Like in the class, anytime if you have this presentation, or if you want to ask something, if you get that nervous feeling, immediately you think of that Ferrari World, or the Ferrari ride you went, or any other rides that was actually scary, but it turned to be a fun. So you think of that moment, like how it turned out. The feeling, it turns into that excitement.
Yeah.
That feeling turns into an excitement. The nervousness is gone, and you had a excitement, and you were amused, and you enjoyed that actually. So same thing you tried in your class, too. Okay, when you get the nervous feeling, immediately you go to that the ride. What happened there? The same thing happened. Like you felt that nervousness. At the end, it was an excitement. The feeling turned into an excitement. Yeah.
Yeah.
So can you try that one?
Yeah. Okay.
Like, what do you do? The next time you get this nervousness,
Next time I get this nervousness, I would just think of the roller coaster ride, like at the end part when I'm having fun
yeah,
after coming out.
very good. So let's see how is this going to lead you.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, very good. Okay. Do you have any other problems you want to solve, or something like that?
Nothing.
Okay. Okay then. Thank you.
Bye.